I open my eyes. I stretch my arms. I get out of my bed. I step into the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my hands. I dry my face. I open the washroom door. I go to my bedroom. I open my wardrobe. I choose my clothes. I put on my shirt. I comb my hair. I walk into the kitchen. I take out the glass from the cupboard. I pour the water. I drink the water. I refill the water bottle. I prepare my breakfast. I eat my bread. I sit on a chair. I stand up again. I walk to the hallway. I put on my jacket. I put on my trousers. I put on my socks. I put on my shoes. I open the front door. I step outside. I lock the door. I walk down the street. I breathe the fresh air. I wait at the traffic light. I smell fresh bread. I continue to walk. I sit at my desk. I write an email. I read a document. I sign the document. I take a short break. I walk towards the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I look out the window. I see the passing cars. I get off the bus. I walk along the park. I sit on the bench. I close my eyes briefly. I stand up again. I walk back home. I unlock my door. I enter my home. I take off my jacket. I hang my jacket. I walk into the living room. I open the window. I sit on the sofa. I relax my back. I pick up a newspaper. I read the newspaper. I put down the newspaper. I go back to the kitchen. I pick an apple. I wash the apple. I bite into the apple. I leave the kitchen. I sit at the study table. I read a few pages. I place the book on a shelf. I go to the dining room. I pour some soup into the bowl. I taste the soup. I finish the soup. I wipe my mouth. I wash the dishes. I dry the plate. I put the plate away. I leave the dining room. I sit on the floor. I fold my legs. I do the yoga. I open my eyes again. I walk to the bookshelf again. I pick up a magazine. I flip through the pages. I read a short article. I put the magazine back. I walk to the window. I watch the sunset. I admire the colors. I close the windows. I draw the curtains. I turn on the lamp. I pick up my phone. I check the time. I put my phone down. I go to the kitchen again. I make a sandwich. I eat the sandwich. I wash the plates. I dry the plates. I turn on the TV. I watch a TV show. I turn off the TV. I walk into the bathroom again. I wash my hands again. I brush my teeth again. I open a drawer. I take out my pajamas. I put on my pajamas. I walk to the bed. I lie down. I rest my head on the pillows. I close my eyes again. Subscribe, please.